Hello everyone, I am Manas Yavle from MVPSKBT College of Engineering, Nashik. I am presenting a location-based information retrieval system topic for ISR, which is Information Storage and Retrieval. So let's start with the presentation. So coming towards the contents, I have delivered now introduction. What is location-based IR? Then some key components of location-based information retrieval. Types of location data, location-based search algorithms, use case of location-based information retrieval. Then there are some challenges in location-based information retrieval. Then some technologies, some personalization and future trends, and for the last conclusion of the presentation. So let's start with the presentation. So coming towards the introduction. Location-based information retrieval (LBIR) is a process that uses a device geographical location to provide information to the user. Means location can be provided according to the information to the user. Location-based information retrieval is a specialized field within information retrieval that leverages location data to provide users with a contextually relevant information. Some specific information can be provided to the user. Significance of LBIR means location-based information retrieval in applications such as navigation, local search, and personalized recommendations. Increasing relevance of location in our daily lives, we rely on a location information for navigation, finding nearby places, and receiving location-specific recommendations. So, coming towards the next point. What is location-based information retrieval? So mainly this point is focuses on location-based information retrieval means whole concept of this location-based information retrieval. Location-based information retrieval is a specialized field within a information retrieval that focuses on providing users with the information and data that is contextually relevant to their specific geographical location or proximity. So there are some characteristics of location-based information retrieval. First is geospatial context. So location-based information retrieval takes into account the geographical context of the user. It considers the user current location, nearby points, and the interest. So next characteristics is real-time data. So for real-time data, it often incorporates the real-time to provide up-to-date information that is relevant uh, to the user's immediate surrounding. Means user can directly get the location at the same time. Next is personalization. Location-based information retrieval aims to personalize information retrieval based on the user's location and preferences. Next is mobile and GPS technologies. Mobile devices with GPS capabilities play a vital role in a significant and vital role in a location-based information retrieval. These are some characteristics of location-based retrieval. So coming towards the next slide, key components of location-based information retrieval. So first is location data. Users in a geographical location is a central component of location-based information retrieval. This data can be obtained through various means such as GPS coordinates from the mobile devices, IP addresses, user provide location information, and beacons technology. Next is user queries. LBIR takes into account the queries or interest requests made by the user. Next is information sources. From where the information can be gathered or where the information can be text. This is one key component of the location-based information retrieval. Next is geospatial algorithm. Geospatial algorithm employs a geospatial to process and analyze the location data and the queries. These algorithms determine the proximity of the location to the user, calculate distance and rank result based on the relevance to the user's location. Next point is indexing and search. There is this feature is provided in location based information. This is most important. The search for the specific location can be happen in it, and indexing means when you search a specific location, it will give some nearby location to you on the top of the table. So ranking and relevance. LBIR ranks the retrieved information based on its relevance to users location and query. It considers factors such as distance, user preference, ratings, and etc. Next is data updates. As location data can change frequently, location-based information retrieval needs to incorporate machines for the real-time updates. And last is personalization. Personalization is main of key component in the LBIR. It tailors to the information provided to the user based on their preferences. So there are some types of location data. First is GPS coordinate, global positioning system, GPS. Coordinates are precise latitude and longitude values that pinpoint to the user's location on the Earth's surface. Next is IP address. Uh, the IP address means Internet Protocol address, uh, can be used to estimate user's location by analyzing the IP address. Approximate geolocation data such as a city or a region can be determined. The IP address is for a specific region. Then Wi-Fi networks. The names and signal strengths of the Wi-Fi network will be user of Wi-Fi positioning. This method will often use indoor positioning, can use for Wi-Fi position. Next is cell tower data. Cell tower data. The nearby location can be gathered by the cell tower data. This is one type of location data. Next is user provided location. User may voluntarily provide their location information either through manual input or by checking at a specific places. Next is Bluetooth beacons. So Bluetooth beacons such as iBeacons and Eddystone transmit a signal that can dedicated by the nearby devices. Coming towards the next slide, location based search algorithms. There are different algorithms in which location based information retrieval can be done. First is proximity based search. Proximity based algorithm prioritize the location services that are physically close to the user. Next is geospatial queries. This is one also important point. Next is reverse geocoding. Reverse geocoding algorithm convert the GPS coordinate into a human relatable location address. Next is a geotag based search. So geotag based search algorithm retrieve content that tagged with the geographical information, and user can search the content created by the near a specific location. Then a keyword or location combination. This algorithm combines using a defined keywords with the location data, refines search results. Next is machine learning and predictive models. This is one of the important point. Machine learning technique are employed to predict the user's future location and for recommendation also. So some use cases of location based information retrieval, mapping and navigation. LBIR is a fundamental in mapping and navigation application. It helps users to find direction. Next is location business search. Uh, Users can use location based information retrieval to search for a business and services in vicinity. Next is geosocial networking. Geosocial networking in a social media platforms utilizes location based information retrieval. Next is location based advertising. According to the location based advertising can be done. This is one important use case. This next is tourism and travel planning. Travelers use location based information to travel to explore points, emergency services, Uh, LBIR assists emergency services in locating and providing assistance. Uh, Next is real estate and property search. Real estate and property search. Users looking for a real estate property can use LBIR to find available in lights. Next is public transport information. LBIR can provide users with a real-time information on the public transport. So coming towards next slide. Challenges. These are some challenges in a location-based information system retrieval, which is data accuracy. Uh, this is one challenge. Then a privacy concern. Algorithms complexity. The complexity of algorithm can be important in it. Then data volumes. The data volume is also an important point. Then a cross-platform compatibility is also one of the important point in it. Then a user interface design and a real-time updates. So there are some location-based information retrieval technologies. First is GPS, which is GPS means GPS. Global positioning system is also important in location-based information retrieval. According to that, location can be preferred. Next is GIS, Geographic Information Systems. Then mapping AI APIs. There are different application mapping application in programming interfaces. Provide developers with access to mapping a geospatial data. There are Bluetooth beacons again. This is one technology. Wi-Fi positioning, near field communication, NFC, machine learning also important. Cloud computing for data and blockchain for connections. So location-based information retrieval and personalization. So the user profile for there is first point. Location-based information system can often create users profile that includes the location history, search queries, then contextual recommendation. Then user can for user location based information retrieval can recommend some locations based on their searches. Next is historical behavior. There is history provided by the user. This history, according to the history, location can be retrieved. Next is user feedback. uh, User feedback is very important. According to that, the some changes and some uh, preferences can be updated. Next is real-time updates. Location-based information retrieval presentation personalization is not static. It adapts to the challenge user behavior and the real-time location updates. Next is future trends in it. So some future trends are augmented reality, indoor positioning and navigation, geospatial data analytics, environmental awareness, then smart cities, new technology which is 5G technology, then blockchain for location data, wearable devices is also important. These are very important future trends in location based information retrieval. And last coming towards the last slide, which is conclusion. So location based information retrieval is a dynamic and transformative field that has potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our physical surroundings and digital environments. LBIR ability to provide contextual relevant information based on a user's geographical location is reshaping a wide range of industries and applications. Next, coming to our next points, which is LBIR is not only about providing geographic coordinates, it's about delivering personalized, real-time, and context-aware experiences to the users, from mapping and navigation to the local business searches, social networking, augmented reality. LBIR enhances the way to access information and services. This technology is set to become even more integral to our daily lives. It continues to evolve. So thank you.